Episode of Just Cooking, we'll be making chicken Parmesan lasagna. Okay, so first we're going to do is I seasoned my chicken breast already. I filleted my chicken because you know how sometimes you get the boneless chicken and it's kind of thick. I filleted the chicken breast and I seasoned it with like some salt and pepper and some complete seasoning. Just not a lot of seasoning. So now I'm going to bread it in the Italian style breadcrumbs. But before that, I'm going to open this oil and put it in the pot, in the pan. Just put a coat of oil on it. You don't need a bunch of oil. Just put a coat on it. Put my gloves back on. Okay, so we're going to wait for that to get hot. So we're going to bread our chicken breast, and usually some people will get the egg yolk and dip it in the egg yolk and put it back in the breadcrumbs, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to put it in the breadcrumbs and just batter it. That's it. So I'll be back in a Just Cooking moment when the oil gets hot. Okay, our batter is on our chicken breast, and now we're going to start putting it in the oil. And we're just going to let both sides get nicely toasted brown on both sides. So we're going to let those cook and we'll be back in a moment. Okay, so now we're going to coat the bottom of the pan with our favorite spaghetti sauce. Just coat the bottom of the pan. Take a spoon and maneuver it around if you like. But you're just going to coat the bottom. Coat the bottom of the pan. Okay, so now then when we coat the bottom, we're going to put the chicken breast in, like so. Just going to lay it down in the pan, like so. Then we're going to put our spaghetti sauce on top of the chicken. I'm going to coat it with the spaghetti sauce. Make sure the chicken is coated with the spaghetti sauce. Then we're going to put some tomatoes on it. Then we're going to put some ricotta cheese. Spread that. You can spread it in. I know it looks sloppy and like, ugh. But no, it's going to be delicious. Like anything else I make. Okay, I'm going to put that up there. Put that up there real nice. Then we're going to start with our cheese. So I have some cheddar jack cheese. And I'm going to spray that up there. Then we have some mozzarella. I'm going to spray that up there. Then we have mild cheddar. I'm going to put that up there. Then some Parmesan. Okay, my camera girl said she opened it, but it's not open. Okay, now it's open. Okay, we're going to sprinkle a little of that up there. Then we're going to put spinach on top of it. You don't have to cook the spinach because when it goes in the oven, it's just going to cook right in with the sauces. Okay, then we're going to put some more sauce on top of that, the spinach. Well, it's not coming out just like I want it. So I'm going to spread it around. I want the spinach. Then we're going to start layering it again. You got the chicken. I'm going to put the chicken in. And then you're going to do everything again. Spaghetti sauce. That one came out much better. Tomatoes. Tomatoes. You don't want the tomato juice, that's why you need to wear gloves. Okay. Then you want to put the ricotta cheese on. Okay, so now that y'all got the gist of it, I'm going to finish this up and I'll be back in a just cooking moment. Okay, so we're back with our chicken Parmesan lasagna. Look at it. It's beautiful. So, I'm going to get some people to sample it, the children or whoever wants to sample it, to let you know just how good this chicken Parmesan lasagna is. So, we'll be back in a just cooking moment. With our chicken Parmesan lasagna, and we having all good vibes tasting it. Go ahead, Quadria, and try the dish. Bon appetit. You doing way too much.
I swear I'm not. It's just hard to cut. Okay, I got it.
Lord have mercy. Sam, you better hush before I put you on video.
I like it. It's good.
It's really good?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
I like the cheese and taste the flavor.
Flavor. Yes. What is you laughing at? I'm about to put you right on video.
It's hilarious. I'm telling you.
Okay, Quadria. So, what do you give it?
2 thumbs up.
Okay. So, there you have it. You didn't even eat it yet. Go sit down somewhere. All right. So, there you go. So, there you have it. Our chicken Parmesan lasagna. Just cooking. Bye.